In this video, we will check how to record advance received from a customer. I am using Odoo version 19. Okay, so I have not installed the sales app or purchase app, but for the sales invoice, I will be using the accounting app because I will treat like a service invoice. Okay, so that accounting app is it's enough. So for recording the transactions, I have something I made here. The first transaction on January 1st, 2026. Just like a TT received from MouseTrack Limited. Okay, this is an advance receipt. Okay, so how to record this advance receipt? So from MouseTrack we have received 45,000. Okay, there is no invoice from that. There is no invoice issued to that company. For example, in this case, how we will do? Okay, we will go to the accounting app. Okay, customers, and then payments. From here, new payment. Okay, and it's a receipt. Okay, receipt, and the MouseTrack is the customer name. MouseTrack Limited is the customer name, and 45,000 is the receipts. I will make it January 1st, received just like January 1st. Okay, and it is received in the Canara Bank itself, in the bank itself. Okay, it's just like we know that the party deposited the cash in our bank, or otherwise we got the check and we deposited. Anyway, so advance receipt. Okay, confirmed. So there's a bank I have created already, bank Canara 2025-60001. Okay, that transaction. And this transaction at this time, if we open the trial balance, the trial balance looks like, because it's I made the Odoo Odoo in Indian format, so that's why it's debtors. Otherwise, it will be accounts receivable. Okay, now outstanding receipts is 45,000 and debtors is 45,000. Okay, because we have to give this to January 1st. Then only this debit and credit will come. Okay, otherwise this is showing like a plus or minus. So outstanding receipts is there, debtors is there. So in this way, we have recorded the receipt 45,000 advance received from MouseTrack. So how we will know this, that this customer has already paid? There is a report, aged receivables. Sorry, aged receivables. So this is a minus figure. Actually, aged receivables should be positive figure. Okay, but here it is minus figure because it's a advance. Okay, so next time we are invoicing, we are preparing an invoice for them. Okay, we will prepare an invoice. Just let us try MouseTrack Limited, and I will make it on January 2nd. January 1st we received. Okay, otherwise January 10th. Okay, January 10th we are preparing. Due date is okay. And then I told you that I have mentioned that we are preparing just like a service invoice. Okay, so the service right of machine servicing. Okay, machine service income. Let us see. This is a machine service. We are invoicing for them machine service. Okay, machine service and something serial number so and so. Okay, this machine service. So we are 45,000. We are not mentioning any tax or something. And then once let us say once we confirm, you have outstanding credits listed below for this customer. So see, there is 45,000. This 40,000 is advance receipt. This is a narration we have given. We already provided that time, and then just add it. Then the bill is paid. That is in payment because it's a bank payment. So we have to reconcile it. Okay. So this option is finished. So now we will see the trial balance. See, debtors is already clear. 45,000 debit and credit is clear, and the machine service income 45,000. Okay, and then pending is bank reconciliation. So I am not showing how we will import the bank statement, or otherwise how we will pull automatically connecting the bank. But instead, I will do this. I will be starting from the reconciliation side, not from the importing side. Okay. So I have already imported the bank statement. So from accounting app, I can see we can see that 5 entries are pending for reconciliation. That 40,000 payment is there, and then for 5 entries are pending for reconciliation. We will do the reconciliation of this 45,000 only. Okay, we will see how to do this. When we open, this is Odoo version 19. It's showing that TT to universal customer is a payment. TT from Sahara, another advance receive, another payment received from the Sahara. Bank interest is there, and bank fees is there, is an expense, and TT from MouseTrack. Okay, TT from MouseTrack Limited. So this is the one, TT from MouseTrack Limited. So what we have to do, we have to mention that here this is from bank statement. Actually, this is a bank statement, important bank statement. So the important bank statement is not affecting any financials until we do reconciliation. Once we do reconciliation only, Odoo will create the journal entry that will affect the finance. Right now, it will not affect any finance. This is just a reference. Okay, we imported the bank only. So what we will do, set partner, because we have to mention which partner, this received from which partner. So MouseTrack Limited is mentioned. So whether it is receivable or not, it's a receivable. Actually, it's a receivable. So this is finished. Okay, that entry is finished. So just see the trial balance. No, yeah, trial balance. See, bank, in the bank, there are transactions, okay, and there are outstanding receipts are there, bank expenses are there, all the debt is cleared already. Okay. And now, again, we go to accounting, okay, transactions. And this bank interest, we can set, for bank interest, there is no partner, no? So we will set the account, interest, bank interest account. We will check the bank interest account and interest revenues, okay? This is reconciled. And bank fees, for bank fees also there is no partner. Partner means in Odoo sense, partner means either it can be a vendor or customer or employee, any person can be a partner, okay? This is a bank fees, Odoo automatically sees that bank fees. Okay, it's a bank fees, it's finished. And then from Sahara, this is received from Sahara, so we will check whether we will make it Sahara Traders mentioned. Okay, and then it is receivable, just click, it's closed. And then TT to Universal Traders, that also Universal Traders, and then it's a payable, it's finished. So the bank statement, all bank statement finished. And then here we can see invalid statements. Why this happens? Let us see, just click on here, bank statements. So the bank statement is opening balance is 0 and then ending balance is 0. We have not provided the opening balance of that statement. So just click here and then 0, we enter 0. Actually, the ending balance should come automatically considering these transactions. But I think this is a bug from Odoo. So what we have to do, just press 1 and then try. But we don't have the opening balance. We have 0. So then once you press 1 and do this one, the Odoo will update it, and then you just make it 0, and then it will come. Okay, this is actually a bug. Now we confirm. Now the bank statement, see, we go to the dashboard. There is no issues. The bank balance is 53,752, and the payments already done is 45,000. So this way we can update the advance received from a customer.